Hi, welcome to KV's Plants and Orchids. You are seeing my Burle Max philodendron. This philodendron was named after Robert Burle Marx, the first architect who used native plants in modern landscape design. So, the name was taken from one architect. Okay, that is why it is called Burle Marx. And it is a tropical shrub. It is a slow growing shrub variety. It just not like other philodendron which can grow tall. It can grow only up to 2 feet, and it likes bright sunlight, but not direct sunlight. And since it is growing, it will grow only little bit. I have made a DIY moss stick for it, because it won't grow anyway taller than this. So why should I waste on big moss stick? It won't look good also. So actually 2 plants are here, and here is another small one. So I have this propagation of this plant is, you can cut the stem and you can make a new plant. You will see the roots coming from the stem, you see. So you can just cut it and make, or if you want air layering also you can do, or small pups will appear nearby, that also you can remove and separate and propagate this plant. Watering is, it likes moist soil but not soggy soil. In winter season you have to be very careful while watering. If you are in North India and all, here we don't have such a big problem of winter problem. So I water them regularly. You just see that your topsoil is dry before watering. It likes well drained soil, a little bit acidic soil, but not soggy soil. Then what? It likes humidity. All tropical plants like humidity. So it can provide humidity for this plant by misting the leaves, or if you have a humidifier, nearby that humidifier you can keep, or you can make a pebble tray at home. Pebble tray is nothing but you keep the plant in a tray with pebbles and water. So the plant will be sitting on the pebbles, but not on water, but the water which is in the pebbles, in the pebble tray, will evaporate and give some humidity around the plant. That is how you provide humidity to this plant. And if you are planning to fertilize this plant, give nitrogen rich fertilizer. This is not like a flowering plant like Ixora and all. You should give potassium rich fertilizer. It is better to give nitrogen rich fertilizer. All philodendrons flower, but it takes long time to mature and flower. But we are not growing this philodendron for its flower, we grow them for its foliage. And it likes root bound stage. So you don't repot now and then. When you feel that it has grown out of this container, you can just take it out and put one size bigger container, you can repot it. So this is all about the Burle Marx philodendron. Beautiful plant. See how it looks. When it grows, this is actually I have bought 3 plants sometime back, not now. It was some I think more than 1 year back, before I started my YouTube. So it was sitting in 3 pots like this is a single, no. So recently I just put 2 in this pot together to give. I think I should have done the 3 together, but I have given only 2 to make it beautiful. You can keep them inside in the nearby the windowsill also, so that you can, if there is indirect lights coming, it is a small compact philodendron, you can keep in the windowsill, it will be fine to keep it. Only thing you have to do is don't keep them in direct sunlight. There, see, I keep them in a place where there is not much sunlight, but still some small problem occurred. So no direct sunlight for this plant. That is the most important you have to keep in mind while growing this plant. Hope you like the video about my Burle Max philodendrons. If you like the video, press the like button. If you are a first time viewer, consider subscribing. Please like, share. Thank you for watching.